It used to be just a hobby, now it is all Gabby does. Dance, dance, and more dance.
In the beginning, it wasn't my decision to do dance, and over the years, I just started to find a passion for it.
The past couple of years have been focused on hard work as Gabby trains and dances for the RNW dance team.
My passion for dance has driven me to audition for the high school dance team along with a company dance team.
To audition for any high school sport or activity is tough, but to audition and make a high school sport is great and takes a lot of talent.
The advice I have for anybody who wants to get involved in high school activities is to go for it, and it's important to get involved to get those experiences.
Gabby is constantly working to improve as a dancer by working out and exercising.
It's important because it helps your stamina and to allow you to dance hours at a time.
Although the training required to be a successful dancer is good for you, it does affect your school time and your free time.
Free time and schoolwork heavily because there is not a lot of time for yourself. Your homework is usually done between the hours of 11 p.m. and 1 a.m. You also don't get to participate in very many after-school activities.
Gabby still has high hopes for her future in dance.
My greatest hope in dance is that of improving my physical condition and my drive.